unwillingness to give more of that part of you is your first stage. It's selfish, stingy, lazy, right? And look, we all have it. You know, we all no one's going to be fucking like, right? But when we're withholding the gifts that we know will make people happy, we know will light people up. When we're withholding those gifts, we know it's going to make somebody happy. We know it's going to brighten a moment. That's our selfishness. There's no other fucking way to put it. There's no other way to put it. And we all have it. You know, I didn't want to do this challenge to me yesterday. Thank God, I'm like, somebody challenges me to do something on, somebody gives me a practice to do, I do it, right? And but it's not because I want to. So it's we've got to train. Where you are is you're in this place of you don't have the muscle of give, like just give him my heart, just give him myself, just give him my right, just give. And part of what we're doing is reps are important. Like reps are important. You have to practice the give. You have to practice the muscle of giving. Otherwise, the body mind is too committed to our safety.